Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. In the last video I've already shown you how you can create a new server on AWS, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can install PHP or Apache on your fresh blank server. So let's get started with the video. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. So guys, first of all I will have to connect to my server using SSH. So for that I will go to my downloads folder, and after I open my download folder I'll just open a git bash here, because the file is inside the PAM file is inside the downloads folder. So here I will have to write SSH space minus I, and then space you have to write the name of the file. The name of the file is bse underscore new PAM, and here I will write the IP. So I don't remember the IP, so the IP is this. I'll just copy this and I will just write the name here, Ubuntu, the username, and I will just paste the IP here and I will press enter and I will click yes, and you can see I successfully connected to the server. And then first of all you have to run the first command, that will be sudo apt update. So it will take some time, and till then I'll show you it is fresh server, nothing is coming here for now. So now I will install Apache on this Apache 2. So for that I will have to write sudo apt install Apache 2. Okay guys, this is the command, so I'm just writing it and you have to just follow the instruction. I'll just increase the size of the screen, you can see. So it will take some time to install. So it is installed now. Now I will install PHP. So how to install PHP? You have to write sudo space apt dash get, then again I will write install because I want to install PHP, and right now I'm using 7.0 version, or if you want 8.0 you can use 8.0 also. So I'll just install the 8.0 version. So it's not able to find the exact version, so I will just install 7.0 for now. Now the next thing what we have to install is live Apache mode, because this will require to run PHP apt-get install PHP. I'll write the version here 7.0 lib Apache 2 dash mode dash PHP 7.0. Okay guys, so just check the spelling while writing, and I'll just install this. So now what I will have to, I will just update the apt-get again, apt-get update. I'll just run this command, and after this I will be installing MySql server on the new fresh server. Here I will just write sudo space apt dash get space install MySql dash server, and I will just press enter here, and it is asking me password, so I'll just keep a password, let's say. And after this I will have to install PHP myadmin, so I will write sudo apt dash get space install php my admin, and you have to select Apache and then OK, and you have to configure yes. So you have to write the password for php my admin, whatever you want to keep. So I am just writing here. Now I want to check whether it is working fine or not, so I will just write the command here to check how to check that php MySql is successfully installed or not. So you have to write the username here. So the username is root, and then you have to write the password here. Space MySql dash password. So here you have to write the password. So it is not allowing me. Just let me check what's the issue here. So you can see here I have successfully connected to the database. I'll just exit it now. So the password is set up, successfully done, the password setup. So the SQL setup is done successfully. Now what we have to do is we have to enable rewrite mode on the server, so I can easily able to access the PHP modules. So for that, what you have to do, you have to write a command sudo vim /etc slash apache apache 2, and then you have to write apache 2.config, and you have to press enter, and you will able to see such kind of screen. And then you have to go down there, and you have to keep going. So you will able to see where www, and there you will have to overwrite none, it is written. So instead of this, you have to write all, and then you have to save it. So to write here, you have to press I button, and then you have to write, and then after writing it all, just press escape button, and then you have to press shift colon, and then here you have to write WQ and then exclamation mark and press enter. So it will be saved. Then after this, what you have to do, you have to restart the Apache. So for that, what you have to do is here you have to write a command. You have to write sudo etc slash init.t slash apache to restart. Okay guys, restarting Apache, you can see. Now I have to install curl here. So I will just write sudo apt get install PHP 7.0. I have to specify the PHP version to install curl, then only it will work fine or smooth, you can say. So I'll just install here. So the curl is installed successfully. After this, you have to enable rewrite mode. So you have to write sudo a to e in mode, space rewrite, and you have to press enter. As you can see here, enabling rewrite mode, it has been successfully rewrite. Now I will restart my Apache again. uh, you can also use this command sudo service Apache to restart. Okay guys, instead of that you can use this one also, this command also. And that's all, your setup has been done. Now let's go to our folder. Let me just show you, it is a blank database, nothing is there. I mean the files and folder not there. And if I now run the server, you will able to see Apache screen, because the Apache has been installed successfully. And also you can run the PHP myadmin also directly now. So you can see here, I will just write the password also here. So you can see here guys, I have so you can see here guys, I have logged in into PHP myadmin also. So in this way you can install Apache, PHP myadmin and PHP on your server, and whatever is required, it is all done through command only. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to share my channel, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.